All these niggas say they hot shit, you must not heard a Glock. Mr. Pull up, let it pop. Mr. Don't play bad as guap. And ever since a tot, I've been playing around with them blocks. Close your legs, ho, give me top. And my coupe cruise like a yacht.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? I am not gonna make this intro long. I'm gonna get straight to it. If you are feeling this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so I already did my eyebrows, set my eyes with those two products I showed you. Now with my Take Me to Brazil palette, the first row last shade, that pink color, we're just gonna apply that to, you know, above my crease. We're gonna just blend that out there. Now the second row, first hot pink color, I'm gonna put that inside my crease. And then I'm gonna go back in with the first color and blend everything out so it just looks more natural, more smooth. Now the last row, third color, that deep purple shade, we're gonna take that smudge brush and put that directly in our crease just to give some depth. Then go back in with the previous hot pink shade and blend it out. Now I'm gonna do my cut crease. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you do want an in-depth tutorial on how I achieve my cut creases, you know, let me know. And please excuse my ugly face, I look crazy. Alrighty, so with my BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette, I'm going to take the fourth row, first color, that pink and gold shimmer, and we're just going to apply that to my lid, as you see, and then I'm going to go back in with that purple shade that we put in our crease, and I'm just going to put that on the corner and bring it into my crease as well. Then with my NYX glitter glue, I'm just going to apply that to the middle half. So you see purple, then you're going to have the glue in the middle, and then we're going to just keep that pink and gold in the inner corner of our eye. So I tried to record a B-roll of my glitter, but it actually fell on the floor, so moment of silence. And now we're going to apply the glitter to my lid to make the look more poppin'. Now we're gonna go in with that hot pink shade, and I'm just gonna smoke out the bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna go in with that white highlighter, and I'm just gonna put that there. So now I lost the clip of my foundation routine, but you know, I just applied my foundation, and now I'm just going in with concealer to conceal my sleepy, tired eyes and bring some more brightness to my face. Now these are the two setting powders I use, L'Oreal Mercier and Sacha Buttercup. So right after I blend out the concealer, I apply the setting powder because I did not want to crease. And then after, you're going to see me apply Sacha Buttercup. So with my Black Radiance contour palette, I'm just going to take that color in the middle and just add some more warmth to my face. And later on, I actually added more warmth to my face because I didn't like how bright my under eyes was. But I just set my face, and now I'm going to go in with that purple highlighter at the bottom. And I'm just applying highlight to my nose, my cheeks, and with these two lipsticks will be linked down below. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video, and if you guys like this, don't forget to give this video the biggest thumbs up in the whole entire world. And the reason why I say that is because the more likes the video gets, the more that I know you guys want to see more of this type of content. If you are not subscribed, you should subscribe to my channel because it's super lit. Bye guys.